Hi guys! For this video, may pasok ako today. Yes, Monday. From 12 to 4:15 p.m. And outfit check. With comfortable shoes. And saka share ko lang dito sa school, hindi uso ang mga guard. Open talaga, as in open yung campus. At saka walang check if may mga tinadala ka na mga weapon. At saka magkaiba pala yung Utah Valley University. Kasi mga 3 hours from here, university na yon. Ang university dito is Utah Tech University, dito sa St. George, Utah. So, I will see if there's any changes in the campus because last time, that day na yung shooting sa Utah Valley University, may mga police doon sa campus namin sa Utah Tech. Siguro just to check and make sure na walang mga pangyayari doon. So, I will observe how's the campus today. And see you later. Bye! Hi guys! So, I'm just back here at home. So, I just noticed na sa campus, maraming police nagbabantay. Yes. Bali, alert sila. And also, I noticed yung mga kaklase ko mostly absent. Yes, mabilang lang kami today. I'm okay so far. Today, not so busy sa campus. And I just got at home and I'm hungry. Maxie! How are you? Did you sleep? Max?